This high-rise has been a fixture of Swan City's skyline for more than 100 years. The Terrace Hotel in Lakeland opened in 1924 with a grand opening gala. It was the city's first high-rise and was considered one of Florida's finest year-round hotels. A novel concept at the time because air conditioning was not yet widespread. Through the years, it remained one of Central Florida's premier hotels, hosting famous guests like Henry Ford, Frank Sinatra, and Frank Lloyd Wright. By the 1970s, the hotel fell on hard times, closing during parts of the 80s and 90s before being revitalized. It entered a new era in 2021 when it joined Hilton's Tapestry Collection. Today, you'll find nods to its Art Deco origins, along with bright orange accents reflecting the colors of the nearby citrus groves. And you'll see swan art throughout the hotel. It's a tribute to Lakeland's famous royal swan descendants, which have called the city home since the 1950s. There are just over 70 rooms and 15 suites at the hotel. I stayed in a 225 square foot one-bedroom king suite with a separate living area and views stretching for miles from nearly every window, even in the bathroom, which had swan wallpaper. Very fitting. On the first floor of the hotel, you'll find the Terrace Grille, a place Lakelanders have been loving for generations. You'll feel like you're somewhere special because you are. There are floor-to-ceiling arched windows, historic black and white tile floors, and cypress ceilings. Pop up to the mezzanine level after dinner for a coffee or a nightcap and soak in the view of the hotel lobby and Terrace Grille. It's a really special stay in the heart of Swan City. Check the caption for my favorite places to visit in Lakeland during your time at the Terrace Hotel. And be sure to hit subscribe because this is one of more than 20 historic properties I've been visiting across Florida. You might just find your next getaway.